In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a gig on Fiverr. So if you're wanting to purchase a gig on Fiverr and you don't know how, this is a simple thing to do and I'll walk you through the process in today's video. So first of all, what you need to do is obviously head over to fiverr.com and you will need to find a gig you want to buy. So for example, if we go up to digital marketing, for example, and then click on social media marketing here at the top. Once you click on that, what you can do is scroll through and find the best one for you. So if you want to add any filters, these are at the top here. So you can change the budget and the delivery time, seller details, and also seller options. So if I go into budget and I'll put the max budget at, just say £10 for example, yeah. So click on apply, and what that will do is it will give you all of the gigs that are under £10 and under your budget. So for example, if I wanted to click on this one here and buy this one, I would click on it, it would open a new window and you can read through all the information that this person has put on their gig. And on most gigs you will get a basic, a standard and a premium, and all of these do range in prices. So for example, basic on this one is £7.62. The standard is £15.24 and the premium is £30.47. So first of all, what you can do is you can go ahead and order once, or you can subscribe for 6 months, and if you click on the drop down menu, there is also an option on this person for 3 months. So if you select order once and you are happy with what they are offering, you can click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will be brought over to this page here. And you can upgrade your order with extras. So for this one, you have powerful tagging, so that adds 1 day onto the delivery time. And then the more actions pack. So if you add all of these together, it will add up onto the total over on this side here. And as you can see, the subtotal and the delivery time will be displayed on this side here. If you are happy with all of this information, you can click on the continue to checkout button. And then that will bring you over to this page where you will enter in your card details. So once you have entered in your card details, all you simply need to do is click on the confirm and pay button in the bottom right hand corner of the page. Once you do that, obviously it will send this person all of the information and the stuff that you want for your project. And then that will give them, in this case, 9 days in order to deliver this project. So that's how you can go ahead and buy a gig on Fiverr, guys. If this video did help you out, don't forget to leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.